this is part 2 of the hurricane. Yeah. I'm definitely playing the new game that you downloaded. Okay, I'm just gonna take a nap, okay? Don't hit me. What happened? What did he do with me? It's okay. Sissy, I'm so scared. It's okay, okay? Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna stay awake. I'm gonna do my hair. No, I'm gonna clean. And done. Put this back. Check myself in the mirror. I look so pretty. Play the Game Boy. Let's just watch TV. Okay, Brayden? Okay. Girl. The film this whole time? That's what I'm saying. Alright, that's enough. That's crazy though. Alright. Hold on, guys. Is it raining? Gosh, it is. Oh my gosh. While this video is going, we're having a thunderstorm. I think. Let's just go. Breaking news. Today's weather today is kind of bad. There is a hurricane happening in Georgia. There's oh my gosh. There is a hurricane in California. Please.